Welcome back, friend. We have done with introduction and we have learned what Amazon Web Services is and what we can do with Amazon Web Services. So now we are going to explore each services one by one. In this part, we are going to start with compute category. The first one to be on in compute category is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud or Amazon EC2 in short. It has virtual servers in the Amazon cloud. So what is Amazon Cloud EC2? It has virtual servers hosted in the Amazon cloud that can scale up or down quickly as needed, which is the meaning of elastic. And it has a computational capability so we can perform all computational cost. It is familiar with existing operating systems, Linux, Mac or Windows, and you need to pay for what you use. We don't need to pay for hosting our application as we have to do with traditional hosting solutions. EC2 is easy to use. You have the root access control. Root access control means you have the permission to execute, read and write all the services, everything. You are the admin and you have to control your data, your everything from a remote location while your application or your data is kept on a data center in any region of the Amazon cloud you choose. That could be US East, Virginia, or Indian Mumbai, or China, or any other regions. It is you have access to use console and APIs. You have access over mobile. It is elastic. That means it automatically scales servers up or down based on your data, your content, or your code. If your requirement is high, suddenly if it grows high, your server can automatically grows up, the elastic expand, or if your requirement goes down, it automatically compress. It simplifies the operations, it improves resiliency. You can run applications securely without any fear of hacking attack or other thing. The physical security is uh, the worry of um, AWS data center employees, and they are heavily guarded. Believe me, nothing can harm your data. If any natural calamity or terrorist attack or anything occurs on your data center, it is all automatically replicated over any other region. That is called sharding. You can run applications globally. You can choose from content delivery network CDN that makes a copy of your content closer to the region where it is actually used or in demand. For example, if you have a website and it is hosted in the USA East region, for example, and your audience are basically from China, then the CDN content delivery network automatically makes the copy of that thing using Elastic Cache in a nearby region of China. So it will provide your access, website access, or to load faster than it has to be loaded from USA. It reduces the cost and everything. You can easily build highly available applications or use multiple availability zones. Uh, it uses elastic load balancing solution that distributes load. I've already told you. It has auto scaling capability that ensures availability and scale. This is an example. For example, your application is deployed in a month from first day of the month, and it needs only one instance on first day, second day, third day, fourth day, till 24th of the day. But on 25th of the month, uh, the number of instances goes up to 6, and it remains so till 29th for 5 days, and again on 30th of the month it goes back to 1. So in traditional solutions, you are charged 6 into 30, that number of instances into number of days total. You need to you need to purchase the memory space and computational capability for 6 instances on each day of the month, whether you require or not. This is a waste of money, wastage of resource and money as well. AWS Cloud optimizes this for you. How it does? This is elastic capacity. On day 1 you need one instance, for till 24th you need one, and the days when you need more number of instances, its capacity increases, and you are saving almost 75% of the amount of the physical resources, of the internet connection, and the data price, of electricity, of money, everything. Both are saving. You are saving, AWS is saving. AWS is actually not saving, but they are optimizing their resources, their number of services. They can provide more services from here, and you are charged less. So this is very beneficial to us. This way it is secure, it is very elastic. It has secure access, unique number of users, multi-factor authentication that may include SMS, email, or other biometric devices if you allow that thing. It has private subnets, encrypted data storage, dedicated connection option. It has perfect forward secrecy, security laws, locks, centralized key management. It is cost effective because it follows pay as you go pricing. Whatever your requirement, only on that requirement you need to pay. You don't need to maintain a huge chunk of data, chunk of space every time. It has flexible pricing model. EC2 is feature rich. AWS Marketplace, AMI, Amazon Linux, ecosystem of partners and ISV. It has familiar operating systems. It has third-party integration, and you can perform analytics, deployment, and other enterprise application services on Elastic Cloud. It has operating systems, languages, and libraries based on various languages like Python, Node, Java, and other languages. It has storage options that can be S3 or any other storage options. It has multiple instance types. You get simply 6 type of instances that suits to your application need. You may have a micro, general purpose, compute optimized, storage optimized, GPU optimized, or memory optimized. So what is the difference between them? Let's explore something. For example, if you are building a game application that could be hosted from a web, Facebook game, or any other type of thing, you may need the utilization. Your application requires the utilization of GPU graphics. So you may select the instance type to be GPU optimized. For example, in other case, if you are an advanced explorer, researcher, or some developer on artificial intelligence working on neural networks or deep learning, your application might need the computational capability or CPU usage. So your instance must be opted with compute optimized. Or in the case where you need to store a large number of huge user data, for example, if you are having a blog and you provide registration for username users, and need to keep them in the record, or keep the images and other details, and your data is likely to rise very large. So you can have a storage optimized application. Or if your application needs a huge chunk of data on keeping on RAM, the memory optimized. Or otherwise, if you are not yet decided to go with either of them, you can choose general purpose. Or if you need very low amount of storage, GPU or memory optimized thing, then you can go with micro.